China has alerted how it does not wish a trading war in the US, but will not sit lazily by if its economics is wound. Zhang Yesui, representative for China's Domestic Human Beings' Convention, done the comments among debate above Donald Trump card's ad of tariff on steel and aluminum imports. The US CEO has as well endangered to levy a tax on EU-made cars, and overtold trading wars are nice. U.S. trade partners, the IMF and the WTO firmly criticized his moves. Mr. Trump card has decried the $800 trillion annual trading deficiency since of our really silly trading deals and policies, and vowed to end it. On Thursday, he told steel imports would person at 25% rate and aluminum 10%. Later came Sunday's risk on EU-made cars. The joint state has an $800 trillion annual trading deficiency since of our really silly trading deals and policies. Our jobs and riches are creature taking into account to some countries how include undertaken benefit of us for year. They laughter at which fools our leaders include been. No more than. In January, he had already announced tariff on sunny panels and wash machines. China's Zhang Yesui told It Was Nature how several dispute will already exist among the US and China, taking into account the amount of trading among them outnumbered $580 bn, pound 420 bn, recent year. But he told China would get required measures if its interests were wound. Canada told tariff would reason destruction on both of sides of the boundary. Maine Secretary Justin Trudeau told he was sure we're departure to go on to be capable to protect Canada production. Brazil, Mexico and Japan, how include told they will believe reciprocal stares if the CEO presses front in his schedule following 1 week. A quantity of Republicans include surveyed the whys of the rate suggestion and include been calling the CEO to revise. Sen Orrin Hatchway told us countrymen would be done to pay in. Sen Ben Sassy coordinated how kooky 18th age protectionist will nest up prices on us families. Production bodies love the U.S. Engine and Machinery Manufacturers Associate include pronounced profound anxiety. But steelworkers in Pennsylvania and Indiana will greet Mr. Trump card's comments. The U.S. imports steel of more than rather than 100 nations and brings in 4 persons times more than steel of overseas rather than its supply. With 2000, the U.S. steel production has incurred, in manufacture falling down and the quantity of employees in steel job declining. The U.S. is the greatest exportable marketplace for EU cars, manufacturing up 25% of the Euro 192 bn, pound 171 bn, $237 bn, cost of engine vehicles. The bloc exported in 2016, China was other in 16%.